Hi, I'm Doug Stewart from Wave Marketing Direct, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to insert a check bullet point instead of the standard bullet points that you get in Dreamweaver and front page. So the first thing you need to do is to get yourself a check GIF or BMP and put it into your image folder along with the rest of your images, ready to insert later on. So I'll go ahead, presuming that you've done that already, and the first thing you need to do is to insert a table. So if you come up to insert and then down to table, and in the rows column you need to insert the number of rows that you have to points you want to emphasize. So in this case it's 6 rows for 6 points, and you need to have 2 columns, one for the check and one for the actual point. So I'm going to have a cell spacing of 5 just to spread it out a little bit. So I'll click on OK, and we just need to move the line here across to the left just to narrow the boxes down for the actual check GIFs. So you need to insert the GIF now, so come up to insert and down to image and then to wherever your GIF is. In this case it's red check, so I'll click on OK, and what I'll do is I'll just copy and paste these so they're all together, and then any alterations can be done after I've inserted my points. And I think that one just needs to go off to the left a little bit. That's it. So now I can insert my points, which I've got underneath here. So it's just a case I'm just going to copy, just going to cut and paste into my table, and this will only take a few seconds. And it's just interesting to note that, as you can see, now I'm putting the longer points, that the check marks are actually starting to spread out a little bit into the center. So as I said, these can be sorted out once I've done my actual inserting of the points. So and this is the final one, and I'll just make sure that they're all aligned off to the left. And now I've done that, I'll just bring up the rest of the copy. Okay, so we'll save this and I'll let you have a look just so you can see the finished product. And as you can see now, the top one's off to the left a bit too much, we'll have to arrange that back shortly, but you can see now how it's going to look once I've finished. So just put everything off to the left. So it's just a case of highlighting the box that the GIF is in and then coming down to horizontal and left aligning them. So if you wanted to actually bring your GIFs up to the top, you would do exactly the same thing, but you would come down to vertical and click on top, which would move them up to the top of the box. So I'll just click on save and just make sure everything's okay, which it is now. You can see that everything's aligned down the left and the points are all in there. So that's how to insert check marks instead of your standard bullet points. And until next time, take care, and if you'd like to check out some more products, go to www.wavemarketing.co.uk.